Hello guys and welcome back. In this video I show you how to download and install Kali Linux on VirtualBox for free. Open a browser, any browser you want. Type here kali.org, then hit enter. It is the official site of Kali Linux. Click in this download button. We want to install Kali Linux on virtual machine. I want to choose virtual machine. If you want to download image, you can download image. I want to click here. Here we have two type of Kali, 64-bit and also 32-bit. If your system is 64, choose 64. If your system is 32, select 32. My system is 64-bit. It is the last version of Kali Linux. Look here, click here, scroll down. It is Kali Linux 2023.4. It is the last version. Come here on VMware, then scroll down. We want to install Kali Linux on VirtualBox. Click here. Look, it is start to download Kali Linux. It will take 30 minutes or 40 minutes. Now you need to download VirtualBox. Open new tab, type here VirtualBox, then hit enter. You can download and install also VirtualBox. If you have problem with VirtualBox, I have one video for installing VirtualBox. I will share link of this video in the description. We successfully download Kali Linux. Now close your browser, open this PC, open download. Look, here is Kali Linux. Right click here, then you can copy or you can cut. I want to cut this file. I want to paste here. You can paste anywhere you want. Right click here, then click on WinRAR if you have WinRAR. If you don't have, just extract this file. I want to extract this file here. It will take a few moments. In the search bar of Windows, type VM, open VirtualBox. Here we have machine. Click here, then click on add. Come to desktop or anywhere you put your Kali Linux. Open your Kali Linux folder. Look, here we have Kali Linux 2023.4 VirtualBox. Click here. Before this, guys, if you are new here, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for more useful content like this. Click on open. Click on start. Leave everything as default. Click on start. Maximize this page. Our Kali Linux will load soon. Enter username. Your username is Kali. It is by default. Password is also Kali. Then click on login. Look, we successfully installed Kali Linux on VirtualBox for free. Guys, I hope you enjoy from this video. See you soon.